Tyrannosaurus Rex from Jurassic World Rebirth, and let's get into this. So this is the scene where it's like the T-Rex is roaring right after you is sleeping, and it's gonna be mostly his face I'm gonna draw today. So yeah, let's just get started. And so I'm going to start with the eye with the HB pencil. I'm gonna start with the eye. It's gonna come right about there. Make it like kinda like that. Like that, and I'm just going to make this. And I clickbaited my other one because I did not like how I drew it. So yeah, and it was doing bad too. So yeah, so I recommend you watch this one more. But this part's just gonna come up right here. So go up right there, and then go down. So about right here, it's just gonna come down and go right there. And also I need a thicker pencil because those lines are not thick enough. I'm going to thicken up these lines with a 7B pencil. So just like that. And also, okay, whatever the other way. And we're gonna have like the other side coming up, going right there. So just like that. And then this part just gonna like come up, so that thing is blocking me. So it's just gonna come up like that, and just going to bring that, and keep bringing that higher up until it's like, so I'm going to, where's the, wait. Okay, I found this. So this on my table just shakes a lot. I don't know why, but I'm going to make this part coming up. It's gonna come across right here, and then right here it's just gonna come down. So if that part's too small, make it bigger. Don't worry about that part, because I can erase. That's the good thing. And so I'm going to bring that down there, and just like that. And also I want to zoom in a bit, like kind of looks better when it's like sucked into the paper. It just does for some reason. So I'm going to make this part coming down. So I'm just gonna go down. So it's not gonna be like that. So it's gonna go like that instead. That. And I'm just going to bring this part down. And then down like this. Okay, my pencil needs to be a bit sharpened. I'm going to bring that down there, and we're just going to bring it down, and just going to make it right that. So, and now let's just draw the teeth. So like, we're gonna have a gum line. Yeah, okay, I just need to sharpen my pencil. Okay, so now my pencil is sharpened, so we're just going to make that coming like that. So like, we're not gonna like make like it like sticking into his mouth, because we're gonna add a gum line. so just gonna bring this like that. And I'm just gonna keep bringing it like that until it just goes down like there. So now we're just going to draw lines in between here. And never mind with the eye, because I drew that too small. And yeah, so just like that, I'm going to, we're not ready for that yet. So I'm going to bring that tooth right there, and then I'm gonna make these coming back there, and they're just gonna come down and like be like that. So, and then I'm going to make this part come out, and so just like that. And so now I'm just going to bring this down, and again, we're gonna have the teeth, like they're not gonna be sticking like in here because we're gonna add a gum line. It just makes it extra realistic too. Like, try to make it really close to there too, because if you do it like how I just did over there, it makes it look like they look like they're far away from the jaw. So make sure to try to make them a bit closer. Made a bit too much teeth. Just like add a little bit. I don't have to add as much as I just did right there. And so then I'm just gonna bring this up, and it's just gonna go up there. And now we're just gonna have that part going down there. And come like that. It's just gonna go like that. And I'm just gonna have like the bones, like you can see it. Like up there. So yeah, and now we're gonna add the neck. I'm going to, so see that, and I'm just going to make the neck and just gonna go like that. So I'm actually going to make that a bit higher. Like a lot higher actually. That was actually way too low. And now I'm going to add this bone. It's like comes like right here. It's like just goes around there. Yeah, I'm trying to improve my last video. My last video of this, I did not like how I drew it. So, yeah, I'm just gonna try to improve it. I basically already did, so. And also the grass. So I'm gonna finish that part off down there. and then just all the way right there. And yeah, that was like a really big improvement from my last one. So now I'll probably link the other one in the description. So yeah, you can check out my other video. It was clickbait, so yeah, whatever. But this one probably won't be. Go down there. Oh, that looks really. Yeah, I did not think it'd do this. It looked this well. And also, I often don't like doing this because it can look weird, especially when I draw it. So, yeah. And so, yeah, we're almost done. Just going to add these. So like they're kind of like these stripes. He kind of has. So I might mess up on it. Wait, I don't know. So yeah, that is okay. I messed that up. So that is your T-Rex picture. And then I'm just going to put that. So like, here's like this neck detail. So just gonna go like that. That is a T-Rex. And so a bit more, I'm just going to add the detail. I kind of have to draw the eye in this video. So I don't know how it's gonna look. So I'm gonna use the F pencil in this, so and I'm gonna make that go there. I'm going to add the eye right there. And I'm going to erase that part. I need to fix that part. I'm going to make it like that. And yeah, that is your T-Rex picture. I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope it was helpful. Yeah, I really hope you like this one. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Just to add a bit more detail. I hope this was helpful. Oh, I do not know how to draw this. I do not know at all how to draw this. So yeah, I hope you liked this one. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.